How to remove or change background on CapCut PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can change or remove background on CapCut PC. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to import the video as well as the background if you want to add another background. So once you're done with that, make sure to drag the video on your timeline. And once you have your video on your timeline, click on the video on the timeline, then navigate to this menu bar at the top right corner. There you have an option for remove background, click on it. And here, click on auto removal. Once the auto removal is applied to your video, as you can see now, the background has been removed from the video. If you want to export without adding background, you can also do that. But if you want to add different background for this video, then what you have to do is click on the video on your timeline and drag this video at the upper level. So once you drag this video at one level up, now you have to drag your background video or photo on the timeline just below your previous video. Click on it and then drag just below the video. Now you can cut out the length for the video so that it matches with the previous video. Split it up and then you can delete the remaining part. So now as you can see, the background has been applied to your video. So in this way, you can remove or add background for the video on CapCut PC. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.